Hello, this is Gio. Hey, look what I have here. I have a butane torch lighter. This is actually a quad torch lighter and it is empty. Clearly, it's not working. So we need to fill this up with some butane fuel. I have some right here. And so that's what I'm going to show you today, how to fill your torch lighter with butane fuel. So it's pretty simple. If you look at the bottom of your torch lighter right here, you'll see the little fill stem right here. First thing you want to do is just maybe take a little pen or something equivalent and just kind of push down on the stem to try to release any remaining air pressure that's inside. It'll just help the process. You might hear a little hissing sound when you do this. I don't really hear anything here. It hasn't been filled for a while, so there's no remaining pressure, but you might hear a little bit of pressure, and so you just want to release that air pressure from your lighter. And then you just take your can of butane and turn it upside down, and then just attach it to the fill stem there, and just push it in and as it fills. You might go up and down a little bit, and as you do this, you'll see it filling with fuel. And you can kind of see right there that it's pretty much full of fuel. And then all you have to do is test out your lighter, and it works. And there you go. That is how you refill your torch lighter with butane. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please hit that like button at the bottom of the screen and even consider subscribing to my channel. I have many more videos to come. Bye-bye.